Hello friend, this is a Puja tutorial, and today Puja tutorial is going to giving us concepts of 11th class NCERT books. Chapter number 2 name is relation and function. Actually, relation and function is very important chapters regards to the knowledge or regards to the understanding of mathematics. Why? Because when we read a relation of two set, then this gives us a mathematically precise correspondence between one quantity with another, because it is exactly true, and it is exactly way of thinking of how to make a combination between two quantity that is related to two different sets. Then the relation and function is very important chapter, and today I am going to discuss with you how we make a combination of a pair of two objects that is belongs to a two different set. Okay, then let's start. Actually, first time G.W. Leibniz find out the concept of relation of and function. Without the knowledge of relation and function, we can't understand the mathematics in a precise way. Then this is very important, as well as it is important for us to understand for our day-to-day lives coming a mathematically related question. Then let's start. First, knowing of the relation and function, we will think about how to make a combination between, make a pair of two objects that is related to two different set. Let us suppose that A is one set and red and blue is two different colors that belongs to this set. Let us suppose our second one set name is coat, C for coat, bag, coat and sword. B for bag, C for coat and S for shirt. Now how make all possible combination that is related to these two different type of set. How make a pair of combination? Let us see here that what is a two. One first is red and second is blue. Okay. How many element in a B? Bag, coat and shirt. First is bag. It may be bag will be red or it may be bag will be blue. Then here two possibilities. First is red bag will be blue or whether bag will be red. Second one is coat. It may be a possibility that coat will be red and coat will be blue. Okay, and third one is shirt. Shirt, it may be a red, but it may be a blue. Then what we get? We get a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible condition that is related to two set A and B. Then this is a pictorial representation. Okay. Now let's make a set. A cross B means what? A cross B means a Cartesian product of two set will be how many pairs? First will be, what we have to do here? If bag will be blue and bag will be red, red and bag will be red. Okay. Red bag, red coat and red shirt. Red bag, red coat and red shirt. This is your first combination, and second one is bag will be blue, blue bag, blue coat and blue shirt. Then what we get? We get that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 that type of pair, possible pair, we can make by using of two non-empty A and B. And there's a way to making a different type possible, different type of pairs is called a Cartesian product of A cross B. And always the first one element of every pair of the every combination of the every order pair, this one element is called, this is a way we write here that red and blue, then this is called the order pair. And every first element of order pairs of the Cartesian product A cross B will be belongs to A. Means red always belongs to A. Red always belongs to A. Red always belongs to A. And blue always belongs to A. Blue always belongs to A. And blue always belongs to A. Whereas the second element of the order pair of Cartesian product A cross B will be, second pair will be belongs to B. Then this is a way to understand of the Cartesian product of two sets. Then I think that you have understood the concept of the Cartesian product. Then if A cross B is equal to order pair R and C, means what? R is always belongs to A and C will always belongs to B. It is very important concept and you have to understand this concept in your practical life. Okay, then next one. This is a concept of the Cartesian product. Okay. Now, next one is, what is the question? Let's start the remark. Two ordered pairs will be equal if the correspondence first and second element will be equal. Let us suppose this is your ordered pair. Two ordered pairs are equal if one and only if correspondence first element of are equal to second element. That means A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 2. Then A cross B is equal to, A cross B is equal to 2. Or here 2 belongs to A and 2 belongs to B. Okay. Up now, next one. If number of A is equal to M and number of B is equal to M, then number of Cartesian product A cross B will be M cross M. It is a very important concept. Let us suppose A have 2 elements and B have 2 elements. Then all the possible in ordered pair, all the possible combination in the form of ordered pair of 2 set A and B will be 4. Okay. Next one is, if A and B are 2 infinite set, then A and B will be also infinite. And third one and very important chapter that is given here, that is very important topic. If A cross A cross A, it is called ordered pair. It is called ordered pair. Whereas if written here A, B, C, means this one. Okay, then what will be the ordered pair? Not this is called the ordered triplet. Okay, then I think that you have understood the notion of the Cartesian product. Now do a practice that is given in this chapter. Chapter number 2.1. What is given here? If x by 3 plus 1, x means ordered pair. This is in ordered pair way. Okay, it is very clear. Then first will be belongs to first. Then x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. This is first, and second will be y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. We will find out, we will solve this. Okay, 1 by 1. So then x by 3 plus is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. Okay, from this. Then x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. X is equal to 2. Then what we find out here? X is equal to 2. Okay, and next one, what is given here? What is given here, next one is this. How we will find out y? Then y will be 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Then 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Because this is in form of adder pair and you know that the first element of order pair is belongs to first, and second order pairs number of element of order pair is also belongs to second. Now next one, if number of set A has 3 elements, okay, 3, 4, 5, then the number of A cross B will be what? A is equal to, number of A is equal to 3 and number of B is equal to, we think here 1, 2, 3. So number of A cross B will be 3 cross 3 is equal to 9. Okay. Now next one question is, G is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2. Z is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2. So then G cross H will be, okay, then what we get? 7, 5, first one, second one 7, 4, third one 7, 2, 8, 5, 8, 4 and 8, 2. This is called G cross H, whereas H cross Z will be, H cross Z will be, first we will write this element, then 5, 7, 5, 8 and 4, 7, 4, 8 and 2, 7, 2, 8. Then this is G cross H and this is H cross Z. Okay. Now you can see here the question number 4. P is equal to Mn, Q is equal to Nm. Then P cross Q is equal to this one. This is false or this is true. You know that how many elements in P? 2 elements. And how many elements in Q? N. Okay. Then P cross Q always have a 4 element, because number of element of A is equal to 2 and number of element of Q is equal to 2. The number of element P cross Q will be a 4. But here is given only 2. That's why this is false. Next one. A and B are two non-empty sets. Then A cross B is an non-empty order pair XY such that X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. Okay. Why? Because these are the AB is non-empty set in order pair this. Then always first element of order pair will belongs to first element and second will be second. That's why it is true. Third one is, if A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4, then A cross B intersection 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Then you know that number of element of B is, number of element is equal to, A is equal to 1, 2. Then it is not possible, then it is false. Question number 5. If A is equal to -1, 1 and find out A cross A. Let us suppose A is equal to -1 and 1. Then A cross A will be, what will be answer will be here? -1, -1, -1, 1, 1, -1 and 1. Now what I have to find out? A cross A. Then what will be answer? -1. Okay. And what I have to do here? what I have to do here? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1. Then this is A cross A cross A. Then minus 1, minus 1, and this is minus 1. Next one, minus 1, 1, and this one minus 1. Okay, third one, 1, minus 1, 1. And fourth one, 1, 1, 1. Then it is called order triplet. This is called order triplet. Okay, now let us take another example. Question number 6. If A cross B is equal to this, A, B, okay, then you know that A and B will be what? Question number 6. A will be the first order pair, first element of order pair, means A and B. And B will be X and Y. Okay. Now next one is let us suppose that A and B and C and D is equal to this, and you find out this. This is very easy because you know how to find out Cartesian product between two sets. Then this is very easy. And question number 8, A is equal to this and B is equal to this. Then write down A cross B. Then you write down and make a subset. Okay, because every combination pair of order pair of every set will be every pairs number pairs set will be also a subset of A cross B. Question number last. Let's A and B are two sets. Number of A equal to 3 and 2 is equal to 2. Then A cross B is equal to 6. It is very easy. Now, next one. The Cartesian product A cross A is equal to 9. Okay. Find out one is minus 1 and 0. And second is 0. Then A will be 1, 0 and minus 1. This is the element of A. Then I think that you have understand the chapter number 2.1 in a very clear way, and I know that you have understand how to find out the Cartesian product between two sets. Now next one is relation. Actually, relation is very important chapter of mathematics, because when you will get the notion of relation, then you can find out how the function is do work. Then relation is a concept of the function. You daily come across a common life, the relation, like as father and mother relation, brother and sister relation. Actually, what the relation does? Relations gives the two order pair. What the relation does? Relations actually make a combination of a order pair between two sets of given rules, of a given criteria. What is the criteria? Always a relation is a rules, like as brother and sister relations. You know that rules is follow. then it is also a concept of the relation. Let us suppose you take an example of relation. Here A, B, C is a one set, and Ali, Bhanu, Bijoy, Chandra, Divya is a different set. There are two in non-empty set, P and Q. Now the way of representing of a relations, three way. First name is roster form. Second name is set builder form, and third is called arrow diagram. There are three ways of representing of a set. Then what is this? This is actually a way of arrow diagram, that is representing here a relation. And what is the criteria of make a order pair here is the first letter of Q. The first letter of Q will be started of the first letter of P. Like as Ali. Ali, the first letter of Ali means A is started from A. That's why this is a relation. This is one type of order pair. Then this is what is a relation? Relation is nothing. Relation is a set of the combination, the order pair of two elements that follow a one criteria or a one rule. And always the first element of order pair belongs to a first set, non-empty set, and the second element of order pair of belongs to a second non-empty set. Then this is called a relation. Then what is the relation is defined here? You can see that relation is collection of all those order pair x, y. Okay, such that what is the criteria? The first letter of y will start to same letter of x, and where x belongs to A, x belongs to P, and y belongs to Q. So what is this is a criteria, and always x belongs to a non-empty set, P and y belongs to Q. Then this is a criteria being given, a rule is given, is called a relation. Now I think that you have understood the notion of the relation. Actually, the every permissible input that is given and follow that criteria is called a domain. This is a domain, whereas this is a range. And every element that belongs to Q is called a domain. Okay. Then what is the difference between range and domain? Range means a permissible input the permissible input that is given by that rules that is follow the relation is called a domain. And what is a range? Range is what is the output, permissible output that you get and follow the criteria of the relations is called a range. But something more in that set is called a codomain. Like as every first letter of Ali is started from A. That's why permissible input is A and its image in Ali. This is B, this image is Bhanu, and C have one image in Chandra. But Divya is left out. Divya is left here. Then all the element of Q will be called codomain. Whereas that element that is follow the criteria of the relation is called a range or image of the domain of image of the domain. Then the next name is called image. Then this is a difference between range, domain, codomain and okay. Then this is called an image also, and the domain in another word called a pre-image. This is called an image of P. Ali is the image of A. Bhanu is the image of B. Chandra is the image of C. Whereas A is the pre-image of Ali, B is the pre-image of Binoy, and C is the pre-image of Chandra. Then this is a notion of the relation, and I think that you have understood this notion in a very clear way. Now let's start the question answer of this chapter number 2.2. Then let's A is equal to 1 to 14. Define a relation A to A where is 3x minus y. 3x minus y is equal to C. This is a criteria is given here. Okay. Then what is a domain, codomain and range? Then domain will be 3x. A is equal to x and y both belongs to A. Then let's put that is 1. And what we get? Y is equal to 3. Then first order pair what we make? 1 and 3. X, Y. X we put here, x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 3. And now let's put x is equal to 2. Okay, here put x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to what we get? 6. So second order pair will be 2 and 6. Third one will be 9. Third one will be 3 and 9. Fourth one will be 4 and 5. Then this is the element of a relation R. Now you find out what is the domain. Domain will be A. Means first element of order pair 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your domain, and range will be 3, 6, 9, 12. Then this is your and codomain is this. Then this is a difference. This is a way to find out of range, domain and codomain. Let's do a question number 2. What is the criteria is given? Criteria is given collection of all those xy such that y is equal to x plus 5. Okay. And x is a natural number less than 4 and xy belongs to naturals. Then देखिए yes y is equal to always x is less than 4, then 1. If you put here 1, means x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 6. The first one order pair xy will be 1 6. Second one is if you put here x 2 in place of x, and what you will get? 7. Okay. Y is equal to, when you put x is equal to 2. When you put x is equal to 3, 8. And when you put x is less than, okay, then what is the relation? Relation is first 1 6, second is 2 7, and third one is 3 8. Then it is a relation. Then what is the roster form? Then roster form is equal to 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and b is equal to 6 7 8. Then this is a way to find out a relation, domain, codomain, and range. Next one is like this. Question number 4. Make it a set builder forms. Write it. You already know about a concept of roster, sweet builder, and the arrow diagram. Then you can do it by own. Okay. Then I think that you do a practice of this question at home. I think that you have understood the concept of relation in a well manner, and today I am going to wrap up my session here, and I will meet with you in next class with new concept, with new chapter name is function, and this is also a part of the NCERT book 11th class chapter number 2.3. Okay, now I am wrap up my session here. Okay, thanks.